So Momoima is our firstborn, and now our elder, our dad, and our mother. You know, he's your super senator. Stella Mora here, next to him, is our second-born, first-born daughter of Teresa, and she is a nurse in the United States. Jacqueline Kwamboka Omoke, she is also the one that I have here in Kenya. She works for the World Bank. The next one is Modesta Omoke. I'll add them. The next one is Modesta Omoke. She's a dentist. She also lives in the United States. And farthest is Peter Omoke, also a nurse, lives in the United States. Now there is 3 family members who are not here with us. They're in the United States. That is Evelyn Bonareri, Judith Kerubo Omoke, and Emmanuel Omoke. So this is our nuclear family, so if you could please go sit down. Nieces, nephews, quickly. I hope I'll be able to get all their names correctly. Maybe Richard, you should show this part. Hata yeye ajui. Wewe kaa huko chini. Kaa huko. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come through. You say your name. Say your first name, middle name, and then say who your father or mother is relevant to. Sawa. You've all understood that? Those are the very strict instructions, nothing else. Let's start with him.
Please allow me to speak English. How are you? My name is Papa Owino. My dad, we have the same forehead and the same posture. Senator Onyonka. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jaden Ngweni. My mother is Judith Karubo.
My name is Lucas James, and he's my dad.
Waride Abanto Baito. Jina langu ni Baraka Zachary Joseph. Mimi ni mtoto wa Senator Onyonka.
Hey. My name is Audrey Nyaboke. My mother is Judith Karubo.
Hi, my name is Mora Onyonka. I am the firstborn of Senator Onyonka and my mother, Flora. Thanks. Do you want to say your name?
My name is Nyaboke Damien. My mother is Lucy Mbogwa. My father is Onyonka Richard.
Haya, wairire bia. Mimi naitwa Trevor Kiaka, first son of Jacqueline Omoke. Na nafanya kama engineer hapa county, nimekuja kusaidia na mambo ya maendeleo. Mbarikiwe.
Habari zenu. My name is Nicole Nyaboke. My mom is Jacqueline Kwamboka Omoke.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Teresia Nyaboke. I am the second-born daughter of Senator Onyonka.
Good afternoon, you all. My name is Christopher Onyonka, and I am the son to Senator Richard Onyonka, and my mother is Jane Wanjiru.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Craig Zachary. I'm the son to Richard Onyonka and Emily Marube.
My name is Natania Nyaboke. My father is Richard Onyonka and my mother is Beatrice Lisa.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine Mora, and then my dad is Peter Moke.
Hi, everyone. My name is Steve Onyonka, and I'm the son to Richard Onyonka.
Hello, everyone. My name is Zachary Onyonka, and I'm the son of Richard Onyonka and the son of Beatrice Gesere. Umomoima Onyonka. Amen.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Nyatichi Mogira, mother to Jace Nishani, son to Richard Onyonka.
I wasn't lying, right? So these are the ones who could make it here today. These are the ones who could make it here today. The others... Okay, order. Ama kuna wengine tumesahau? Mlete jina basi. So thank you. Let me invite the siblings of Mama Teresa, Uncle John, Uncle Ben, Auntie Franco. Uncle Ben, siblings, Uncle John. Auntie Lucy, Auntie Gladys. Huh? Auntie Lucy, please come up. Auntie Lucy? Okay. Okay. So this here, okay. So these here are the siblings of my